assessment asks us to identify the bonds broken and formed in this reaction and to predict whether it will be favored or disfavored by entropy. For the bonds broken for this reaction, we are breaking the carbon-oxygen pi bond, and we are breaking one of the bonds between hydrogen and nitrogen. In terms of bonds formed, we are forming a new bond between carbon and nitrogen, carbon-nitrogen sigma bond, and we're forming a sigma bond between oxygen and hydrogen. These are the bonds formed and broken for this reaction. This reaction involves two reagents coming together to form one product. We are decreasing the amount of entropy in this system, so we expect the entropy term to be negative for this system. This should not be favored by entropy.